What if I told you there's a planet in our solar system that spins completely on its side? Why does Uranus rotate like a fallen world while every other planet stands upright?
Imagine if Earth suddenly flipped sideways. Days and nights would never be the same again.
In a perfectly balanced solar system, one planet defies all rules.
This is Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, and one of the strangest worlds ever discovered. Uranus is an ice giant made of hydrogen, helium, and icy compounds like water, ammonia, and methane. Its pale blue color comes from methane gas absorbing red light and reflecting blue back into space.
Uranus exists nearly 3 billion kilometers away from the Sun, where sunlight is weak and temperatures are extreme.
It is one of the coldest planets in the solar system, with temperatures dropping below -200 degrees Celsius.
But what truly makes Uranus unique is its extreme tilt of 98 degrees.
It's as if the planet was knocked over and never stood back up again.
This tilt causes extreme seasons, where each pole experiences 42 years of continuous sunlight, or darkness.
Earth tilts at just 23 degrees, but Uranus takes it to an unimaginable extreme.
If Earth tilted like Uranus, entire continents would face decades of daylight, while others freeze in darkness. Billions of years ago, the solar system was a chaotic place filled with violent collisions.
Scientists believe Uranus may have been struck by a massive Earth-sized object.
This colossal collision may have knocked Uranus onto its side, forever changing its rotation.
The debris from this impact likely formed its faint ring system.
Over time, Uranus stabilized in this strange position, becoming the sideways planet we see today.
But the mystery doesn't end here. Uranus still hides secrets deep beneath its icy clouds.
Beneath its calm blue appearance, Uranus hides a turbulent and mysterious interior.
Inside Uranus, water, ammonia, and methane exist in extreme states, neither solid nor gas. Scientists believe it may actually rain diamonds inside Uranus, formed under immense pressure.
Unlike Earth, Uranus has a wildly tilted and off-center magnetic field. As Uranus rotates, its magnetic field wobbles and twists in unpredictable ways.
Uranus also has rings, but they are dark, narrow, and far less visible than Saturn's.
These rings are made of icy and rocky debris, possibly leftovers from ancient collisions.
Uranus is surrounded by 27 known moons, each with unique characteristics.
One of its moons, Miranda, shows signs of extreme geological disruption.
Miranda has cliffs up to 20 kilometers high, the tallest known in the solar system. Gravity on Uranus is slightly weaker than Earth, but survival there would still be impossible.
The atmospheric pressure would crush any human long before reaching its core.
Winds on Uranus can reach speeds of over 900 kilometers per hour.
Despite its violent nature, Uranus appears calm due to its thick haze layers.
But what if Earth suddenly tilted like Uranus?
Entire hemispheres would face decades of heat, while others freeze in endless night. Oceans would shift dramatically, causing massive flooding across continents. Human survival would depend entirely on advanced technology and controlled environments.
This extreme tilt is a result of angular momentum altered by a massive external force. Uranus remains one of the most mysterious planets, challenging everything we know about planetary formation. What would happen if we actually tried to land on Uranus? The moment you enter, crushing pressure and violent winds would begin to destroy your spacecraft. Unlike Earth, Uranus has no solid surface, only layers that grow denser and deadlier.
No null material could survive the Amelia duct deep within Uranus.
The upper atmosphere freezes instantly, while deeper layers become unexpectedly hot.
In reality, human survival on Uranus is completely impossible.
Yet we continue to study it because Uranus holds clues about how planets form.
Many planets in other star systems resemble Uranus, making it incredibly important to science.
But many questions remain unanswered and hidden in its depths.
What truly lies beneath its clouds is still a mystery, waiting to be uncovered. In the vast universe, even a giant like Uranus is just a tiny dot. Uranus remains a true cosmic anomaly, a planet that defies expectations. An ice giant, rotating sideways, shaped by a violent past.
A single massive collision may have changed its destiny forever.
Compared to Earth, Uranus shows how different a planet's fate can be.
A silent giant, drifting in darkness, holding secrets of the past. Perhaps Uranus is a reminder that even in chaos, worlds can survive.
And sometimes, the strangest worlds tell the most powerful stories.
This is Uranus, the sideways planet, and one of the greatest mysteries of our solar system.
In the future, humanity may send advanced missions to unlock Uranus's deepest secrets.
So far, only one spacecraft has ever visited Uranus, giving us just a glimpse of its mystery.
It takes hours for signals to travel between Uranus and Earth, across billions of kilometers.
Every command, every response is delayed, making real-time control nearly impossible. Future probes may attempt to survive longer, diving deeper into its hostile atmosphere.
These missions could reveal the true composition of Uranus's mysterious layers. Even today, scientists are unsure what lies at the very core of Uranus.
Unlike other giant planets, Uranus emits very little internal heat, and no one fully knows why.
Despite being similar to Neptune, Uranus behaves in completely different ways.
Even with low heat, Uranus still produces powerful winds, defying expectations.
Its sideways rotation affects everything from seasons to atmospheric behavior. Each season on Uranus lasts over 20 Earth years, creating extreme environmental shifts. Entire regions of Uranus remain in darkness for decades, frozen in silence.
While the opposite side experiences endless sunlight without night. Uranus reminds us
that the universe does not always follow simple rules.
Our understanding is limited, but the universe continues to surprise us. Why Uranus tilted so extremely may never be fully answered. Science offers theories, but the exact story of Uranus is still uncertain. And perhaps that mystery is what makes Uranus so fascinating. As we move away, Uranus leaves us with more questions than answers.
In the end, Uranus drifts alone, far from the warmth of the sun.
So far away that even sunlight arrives faint and distant. 1 year on Uranus lasts 84 Earth years.
A human could live an entire life and never witness a full year there.
Yet beneath its calm appearance, powerful storms continue to rage.
Much of Uranus remains hidden beyond our understanding. But the desire to explore will never fade. One day, we may come closer than ever before. But for now, Uranus remains far beyond our reach. A planet turned sideways, forever different from all others.
It reminds us that even in a universe of patterns, exceptions exist.
And sometimes, those exceptions are the most fascinating of all.
Even with all our knowledge, Uranus still challenges our understanding of physics and formation.
So why does Uranus spin on its side?
The truth is, we may never know the full story.
And that is the beauty of the universe. It always leaves room for mystery. A silent world with a powerful story.
A planet that shouldn't exist this way, yet does.
Uranus, the planet that fell and never stood back up. And the question remains, what if this happened to Earth?